Hello everyone, welcome back to the PD Knob channel. Do you spend hours searching Google for Excel formulas, filling in missing values, cleaning messy spreadsheets, or trying to analyze large datasets? These repetitive tasks can take up a huge amount of your time. Instead of working harder, why not work smarter? Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT directly inside Excel and how it can help you work faster, more accurately, and save a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open Excel. On the right side, click Add-ins. Open More Add-ins. Search for ChatGPT. You'll find the official ChatGPT extension here. Select it and click Add. Continue. Continue with ChatGPT. Then sign in with your ChatGPT account. Once connected, you can start chatting with your spreadsheet just like you chat with ChatGPT. Now, let's see what it can do. I'm using a sales spreadsheet as an example. As you can see, some revenue values are missing. Normally, I'd have to write formulas, drag them down everything. But with ChatGPT, I can simply select the entire spreadsheet and ask, calculate and fill blank revenue cells. Within seconds, ChatGPT calculates the missing values based on the existing data and fills them automatically. The results are accurate and consistent, without any manual work. Next, let's try something else. It can clean the data. Suppose we no longer need records related to the product category LED mirror. Simply ask, remove all rows containing LED mirror. ChatGPT instantly cleans a spreadsheet for you, turning what could be several minutes of manual work into a simple one-line request. Now let's move on to data analysis. I want to know which home office product performs best. Just ask, which home office product has the highest sales? ChatGPT analyzes the dataset and provides the answer immediately, along with supporting insights. Finally, let's see if ChatGPT can think like a business analyst. I'll ask, what are the biggest opportunities in this sales data? In just a few seconds, ChatGPT identifies important trends, highlights potential issues, and suggests areas that may need attention. It even generates a comparison table that organizes the key findings, making it much easier to review the data and summarize the most important insights. Instead of spending hours creating formulas, cleaning data, and building reports manually, ChatGPT can help you do all of this with simple, natural language commands. Give it a try and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI productivity tips and tutorials. I will see you in the next video.